Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how protein powder is made. First, understand that protein powder begins with raw materials such as milk for whey, soybeans for soy protein, or peas for plant-based options. These sources are carefully selected for their high protein content. The initial steps involve extracting the protein from these raw materials, which sets the foundation for the entire production process. We'll explore each stage in detail, from sourcing to the final packaged product. After sourcing, the raw materials undergo extraction. For whey, this means separating the liquid whey from the solid curds during cheesemaking. Plant-based proteins, like those from peas or soy, are typically extracted by milling the raw material into a flour, then mixing it with water to create a slurry. This slurry then goes through a process to isolate the protein, removing starches and fibers. This step is crucial for achieving a high protein concentration. Once extracted, the liquid protein undergoes advanced filtration techniques. Methods like microfiltration and ultrafiltration are used to remove remaining fats, lactose, and other non-protein components, significantly increasing the protein purity. This results in a highly concentrated protein solution. Following filtration, the liquid is then spray-dried. This involves atomizing the liquid into a hot chamber, rapidly evaporating the water, and leaving behind a fine, dry protein powder. This powder is now ready for the next stage. Finally, the protein powder undergoes rigorous quality control. Samples are tested for protein content, absence of heavy metals, and microbial purity to ensure it meets strict safety and quality standards. After approval, the powder is often blended with flavorings, sweeteners, and other beneficial ingredients to create the final product. It's then carefully packaged into containers, sealed, and prepared for distribution. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.